welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am trying out a different company with hair wax. So if you follow my channel, you know that I love hair paint wax. I use them all the time and I never have any issues with them. So I came across this all the time. Well, I see this all the time on social media, so I'm like, oh, I'll just give it a try. So today I'm going to finally try Curls Unleashed, and this is the color Poison Ivy. Now, a couple of things before I get started. So the price point on this is $9.99, which is fine because that's how much I typically pay for my hair paint wax. But with hair paint wax and all of the other, majority of the other temporary hair colors that I use are typically made with natural ingredients, so I can use my hands on it. I know it won't damage my hair, and I just like using natural things on my hair anyway. So when I turn this over, and you know, us naturals, we are always looking at the ingredients. So of course the first one is water-based. You know, I think that's a marketing ploy, because all these hair products, all of them, the first ingredient is water-based. Really? I totally think it's a marketing conspiracy, because I don't believe it. I don't believe all of these thousands and thousands of products, the first ingredient is water-based. Now, some of them probably are, but all of them? Okay, never mind. I'll move on. So, it has all of these different types of alcohols in here, all these big names I am not even going to try to pronounce. It has chlorine, hydroxide, all this stuff. I mean, this looks like the periodic table. But I'm trying to be optimistic, okay? I'm trying to be optimistic. And so, remember I told you with hair paint wax, I can just use my hands and put it in my hair. This one specifically says in the directions, wear gloves during application. Take an adequate amount of color wax in your hair, use it in fingertips and apply it to your hair. So, and also says caution. This product contains ingredients which may cause skin irritation on certain individuals, and a preliminary test according to accommodating directions should be made first. Now, this is the type of thing that you see on relaxers. So you can see why I'm a little nervous by trying this. Did I try a test on this? No. Should I? Yes. But I'm going to be adventurous. It's Friday and it's almost the weekend. I'm going to be adventurous. So without further ado, let's get into it. So nervous about this. Okay. But it's only for one day. I'm only going to leave it in Saturday and I'm going to rinse it out Sunday. So, but if I don't like it tomorrow, then I'll just take it out. Okay. So, I have my gloves because I'm going to listen to the directions, and I'm not, even though I didn't test it on my skin, I will use gloves because I'm not that adventurous. And I usually use my African Shea mix and water before I apply hair color to my hair. But I'm not going to use African Shea this time because my hair is really moisturized throughout the week from applying the oil to my hair. I use neem oil mix in my hair throughout the week, and it's pretty moisturized, so I don't need to add anything to it. And I'm using aloe vera juice instead of water, so this is also an experiment. So yeah, so let's get into it. I already took off the sealant, so that's why that's back there. This smells like man's cologne. Yeah. Just like Mofa Jane. And that's how it looks on the inside. It's a nice, pretty green color. I'll give you that. Okay. I think I'm going to do a braid out this time. I usually do a twist out. I'm going to do a braid out. This is so weird, me wearing gloves to apply a temporary hair color. But we'll see. Now, if I like this hair color, ooh, it is soft. It's not thick at all. Look at that. I thought it was gonna have like some type of like, I don't know, crust in there or something, but it is soft. But if I like this and I like the way it turns out, would I try the other colors? I don't know. It has to be like amazing, and I can't see like any damage to my hair in order for me to consider it. I'm trying not to touch my skin, but I don't want an ombre color. I might have to get that. But so far, this is how it's looking. Let me see if I get closer. This is how it's looking. Not too shabby. I get as close to it as I can. I still some great. Like a loose braid. I think that male cologne smell is all the chemicals in here. Whatever all that stuff is. And when you apply this, you can put your hair in sections of 4s. I'm not doing that because A, I just want to get this done, and B, I don't want my braids to be that small, my braid, because it'll make my braid out look too crinkly. I want like big, loose, crinkly, not small crinkly. What's getting on my pants? I wonder if this stains. It has to if it's telling you to wear gloves. We'll find out. This is dripping all over my pants. But so far, this color is like beautiful, like gorgeous. So I can't wait to see how it looks when it dries. So the reason why I keep clamping this, if you're wondering, I'm trying to keep it off my skin since they're telling me about skin irritants and all. Okay, so one thing that I can say about this is that it is very easy to apply. Like, you don't need to get a lot for it to spread, so it spreads very thin and evenly, which is good. But I don't know if it's in my head because wearing the gloves reminds me of adding a perm to my hair or a relaxer. But I feel a little tingling back here. Just a little tingling. Just a little bit. I don't know about that. I keep feeling tinglies. This is being rinsed out tonight. And then I'll unfortunately have to come back to you guys tomorrow saying, well, yep, I had to rinse it out. It was tingling. All the alcohols and whatever ingredients in there was not friendly to my scalp. I don't know. I'm hoping it's all just in my head because this is such a pretty color. You know, it kind of reminds me of the Joker. Okay, so now I am finished with my whole head. I'm trying to be very careful. fall on my neck, and I'm gonna have to immediately get a towel and wipe up this carpet because some of it dripped on the carpet, and I don't want my bunny to, he's always licking the carpet, and I don't want my bunny to ingest this, so I have to quickly lick this up because, well, he's preoccupied right now. But before he becomes curious, I don't want him to get over here. Okay, so that's it. There's the back. I have to quickly wipe my skin too. Oh, it's still a little bit right here. I feel it. You know when you, if you get a relaxer, or if you used to, you know how you used to get your perm in your hair and it's been like a month or it's been like 2 months. He's like, oh man, I have all this new growth. I need to get this straight. And then you put it in, and then like 5 minutes in, and you only just did the back two, and it starts burning. And he was like, no, I got to keep it in there. But it only burned because you scratched it the night before. As a big no-no. So you start feeling a little bit of tingle in there. He was like, no, I got to hold in. I got to hold in for another 15 minutes, another 10 minutes. And then another 5 minutes, and then you run to the bathroom and rinse it out, and it just feels so good. But then you have these perm sores in your neck, and then I don't want to get to that point. So if it's still doing that, yes, I would definitely rinse this out. So I would keep you guys updated, and I will see you guys in the next clip. What, Cassio? No, no, no! Move, 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 Cassio. See, he's trying to come over here. Oh, he's so nosy. My bunny is so nosy. Okay. Bye, y'all. Good morning, everyone. So, crisis averted. It stopped burning. So, yay. It was only that little tinge, but as you can see, I kept it in. So, let's take this down because I am in a super duper hurry. But I am excited to see what happens. And I didn't put on my clothes for today because just in case I get another Curlsmith incident. Well, it was flaking everywhere. That's in my you can find that in my playlist. Okay, so let's quickly do this. It took all night for my hair to dry though. I didn't go to sleep till like 2:30. My hair was still wet, and plus I was just playing around, doing henna, as you can see, and doing my nails and toes, watching Vikings. Ooh, look at that. Look at that braid out. It's pretty. Not so much of a cast, which is good. Still feels moisturized. It doesn't seem like it's drying out my hair. So far, so good. Oh no, I have a wet spot. The one thing about having a braid out, oh, it's so wet, is that if all your other hair is dry, except for that one section is going to be a fro, where everything else is a braid out. So it's going to be awkward for me. Not for anybody else, but it's for me. Oh my goodness gracious. This was wet too. I think I'm going to have to wear my hair in a curly puff. I'm not going to be able to wear it down. But so far, this color is quite vibrant. Look at that. Wow, so vibrant. And this braid out is so cute. Just trying to separate it. Not a lot of flakes coming down. So I'm not surrounded in a shower of enchanted fairy flakes flying all around my head, just like the other hair product. Oh, this is so wet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wear my hair up. There's no way I'm wearing my hair down. And it's raining today too. We don't have time for that. I hear my kids yelling in the background. By the way, happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is tomorrow, so to all the wonderful mothers out there, try to enjoy tomorrow if you can. I'm going to try to enjoy tomorrow. I told my kids today, I said, tomorrow's Mother's Day. All I want to do is relax. That is up to you if I'm able to relax. Ooh, so green. Wow. Now it's a little stringy because it is wet everywhere. Like everywhere is wet. I have to do a style and then we'll come back. Okay, so this is the style I'm wearing today. This braid out came out really, really cute. So the only thing about it is that it doesn't look natural. So the color doesn't look really natural. But all in all, just for play, it looks nice. It came out really, really nice. Now, will I buy another Curlsmith product to try? Maybe. Maybe I'll try red, as I've always liked red. So yeah, I might get red. It depends how my hair does today. If it gets dried out or anything that comes from the periodic table of ingredients. Then I'll make my decision based off of that. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please click subscribe and tell your friends about all the videos that I do, which is hair tutorials, hair reviews, and miscellaneous things like cooking or hiking. I like to do a lot of different things. Yeah. Don't forget to keep watching and be sure to stay tuned. I upload a video every Tuesday. Until next time, bye.